you're looking for the best way to make money online in 2025, this is it. Not a job, not some trendy side hustle that dies in 3 months, but a real way to make monthly recurring revenue without selling anything, without creating products, and without spending a dollar on ads. And before you roll your eyes, just know this. Hundreds of people are already doing this successfully. And I'm going to break it down step by step so you can copy it and start making money this week. The best part, you don't need any experience, no technical skills, and you don't need to risk a bunch of money up front. And unlike most people that'll try to sell you some overpriced course, I'm giving you everything for free. The course, the templates, the scripts, even a live boot camp to help you set it up. All you got to do, like this video, share it with a friend, and drop a comment below. Once you do that, I'll send you a private link and you can start building real income online today. So let's dive in. Now, what we're going to be doing is helping small local business owners, think chiropractors, orthodontists, dentists, hairstylists, any type of small local business. And we're not setting them up with Facebook ads or SEO. What we're going to be doing is setting them up with a simple AI automation software. And if you can copy and paste, you can do this. It only takes about 5 minutes to set up for these businesses, but it brings tremendous value to the business owner. And you can charge them anywhere between $300 to $500 per month per client for this service. Just get 3 clients paying you $300 per month. You're already at $900 per month, which is an amazing start to this AI software side hustle. Okay, so now that we understand this simple 3-step business model, I want to show you 2 things. First, how to find these small local business owners. Second, how to set them up on this AI automation software and get them results so that they'll want to keep paying you $300 every single month. So the first thing that we're going to do is go over to Google. I've got that pulled up. Once we're on Google, we just search for any type of local business. For this example, I've typed in plumbers in San Diego, California. Now this works for any location, any type of small business owner. When you hit enter, it's going to show us sponsored businesses at the top. That's because they're paying to be there. These guys right here. Then below that, it shows us the organic listings. These are usually the businesses with the most reviews and the most 5-star ratings. Now, if they've gone out of their way to get a lot of reviews, that usually means they've invested in marketing and they've probably got some kind of software or automation in place already. Now, that's a good sign because it means they're open to investing and growing their business. So these are ideal businesses for us to reach out to. Anyone who's already running ads or had a lot of reviews is usually ready to take the next step. And the best part is you don't have to convince them that marketing or automation is important. They already believe in it. Now, just to be clear, we're not selling them reviews. We're not selling ads. We're not doing SEO. We're offering a simple AI service that helps them respond to all of their incoming communication. Calls, texts, email messages, Instagram DMs, you name it. Now, let me walk you through a quick example of how this looks. Let's say we're going to work with Anderson Plumbing right here. Now, all we do is click on their website and it pulls up right away. You'll see that they have this little chat window or this little chat widget down here at the bottom of the screen. That's there so their visitors can start a conversation and the business is hoping somebody is actually there to respond. Now, realistically, they're also getting messages on Facebook, Instagram, email, and probably even text messages. So now they have to hire someone to manage all of that. And think about what that takes. You've got to find somebody reliable, pay them hourly, train them. If they don't do a great job, you got to replace them and start over. But what if we could just train AI to do all of that? Handle every single incoming message for a fraction of the cost. We hire the AI one time, train it one time, and we're done. It takes just a few minutes to set up, and the AI never gets sick. It never calls out. It never needs to be retrained. So all we have to do is copy and paste this website URL, go to the AI automation software, click on settings, and set that business up with a simple service called Conversation AI. All right, so now that we've got that URL copied, what we got to do is head over to our AI automation software, click on settings, and then set them up with a simple service called Conversation AI. We tell it, we want this AI to handle incoming text, Instagram DMs, Facebook messages, the chat widget on their website, or any live chat coming in. And once that's set, we turn it on autopilot, click save, and it's live. Now you might be wondering, okay, but how do we train the bot if we don't know anything about the business? How do we make sure it knows their services, hours, pricing, appointment availability? Well, that's simple. We go to the bot training tab, paste in the same website URL, and click get data. The software scans the entire site and starts learning what services they offer, their pricing, when they're open, how their appointments work. Basically everything it needs to know to sound like a legit assistant. Now, most businesses also have 5 or 6 questions that they get all the time, stuff that may not be on the website. So you just ask the business owner, hey, what are some of the common questions people always ask you? And then you go to add Q&A, type in the question, type in the answer, and hit save. Do that for each question and boom, you've got a trained bot. Now the bot's ready, so let's test it. Let's ask, what services do you offer? And the bot replies, we offer residential plumbing, heating, drain cleaning, and air conditioning services in San Diego County. Perfect. If it gets the answer right, you give it a thumbs up. If not, thumbs down. So just from pasting the URL, the AI knows what the business does and how to help. Now here's another bonus. If the business wants to book more appointments, you can turn on appointment booking. So you can go over here to bot goals and then turn on appointment booking. So you can just connect their calendar and the bot will ask a few qualifying questions and then send the customer straight to book a time. So now the small business doesn't need to hire secretaries or assistants, train them, make sure they show up, or hope they know everything about the business. Training a person could take weeks. Training this AI takes minutes. And instead of paying someone $2,000 to $3,000 a month, they just pay you $300. The bot never takes breaks. It never gets sick. It never goes on vacation. It's literally a one-time setup. You paste the website, load up a few FAQs, and make sure the answers are solid. From there, the bot just runs. That's adding value to that business every single month. And because it's bringing in real value, they're going to keep paying you $300 a month to keep it running. That turns into a really solid stream of what I like to call semi-passive income. And it's not completely passive. You still have to set it up and get the client, but once it's live, it mostly runs on its own. So you might answer a few support questions here and there, but that's it. You could easily grow this to 10 clients, 20 clients, or even 50 clients, all paying you $300 a month. All right, here's the deal. I'm only giving this training away for free for a little while. If you want the full breakdown, all the templates, scripts, and a live bootcamp to set this up for yourself, just like the video, share it with a friend, and comment done below. When you do, I'll send you everything directly. But don't wait, I might not keep this up forever. See you inside.